Guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to claim the Starlight reward on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legend account. And then if you already log in into your Mobile Legend account, you can click the Starlight menu over here on the left side over here. You can simply click the Starlight, and then you can see this rewards menu over here on the top left, rewards, and then you can click the claim all on the right over here. Okay, and if you don't want to, if you are not a Starlight member, you can click the normal claim. And if you want to buy the Starlight, or you want to be a Starlight member, you can go to purchase. Okay, for example, I can go to purchase, and if you want to buy the Starlight, you can buy it by 300 diamond. And if you want Starlight Plus, you can buy it by 75 70 50 750 100. Okay, and now I will normal claim, and then click OK. And here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can click like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. You haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.